2016 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, universal garage door opener, leather seats, traction control system, sunroof, seats, heated driver and front passenger, rear view camera, tire pressure monitoring system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.